Image Paodam yengbi han bada taram nok se balonena khurumjari ngasi maroiba pauda general strike amadi total shutdown mapung phan sathakre Chief Minister N Birenbu Governor no taram okre loinana hanagi India ki President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam gi mapok nimit asida ngasi leibak asina mahakpu diksingli hauzik mapung eba pau lobi dasi ing kumja lising ab samapan ni phumapan gi October trangma da India na Manipur bu namduna loksing khibagi thawong yaning da bu phongdok tuna numit asibu amamba numit black day haiduna Manipur da base da wat tongan tongan ba laharup singna state asida total shutdown amadi general strike kaukibadagi state asigi mahusai punsida yamna sauna kaibe pikre Manipur da tongan tongan ba laharup singna kauriba general strike amadi total shutdown khong jang yenglaga Manipur ngak na section thorang lakhot ki Imphal gi maru ibam pham singda police package sing thamduna pamda bu thodok thoktana ba akan ba section thorang lakhot ki general strike amadi shutdown number mo iduna Imphal gi mayol la leiba khorman kethel yauna maru iba kethel sing mahop saum thong hangna ki de lambi da mi amadi gari satpagi sang nem ki district amadi sen ba passenger pu gari sing yauna tongan tongan passenger gari sing chen ki de State asida lariba mahilosing sing thong hangna kide amadi lenga kilosing singda employee kabagi chang yamna name ki pamdabu thodok thokpagi paudi laikide panba yabdi lalur singi apun malup kor komna ngarang ahing nong yaidagi ngasigi nungdang pung taruk phawba numit asibu total shutdown kaukibane ingkumjal singa sama panni phuma pangi October trangwa thangjanumita Manipuru colonist India gi khubam nung paisile haina lebak miam da laukthokkiba adu aikogi miam na yaning de amasung Matam du ning tho border sandrabu sonam tawduna yanakhi bawarol adu namthaki merger agreement haiduna ngasi phawa miam yaning dabu gi kholau lauri haina apunba lalarup asina phongdok palai kharbadi Manipur yano ba puwari ama haukibasi maidingu nongda laiden pakhang bana panba AD kunthra humdoi dagi ni haina record tawduna thanamba seitharol kumba bada iri maidingu loyumbana panba listing mo subna humdra mari dagi listing amaga chamaga kunithoi AD gi dadi Leipaki ahan loyumba senior lejaduna listing masani pan mai drama thoi AD bhawa matam gi constitution asi khar semdok laga sanadu lakhi ingkumja listing ani ga sumna try pan October trangwa national black day Leipaki amabu numit asi hena kansinna mapung phan binaba kotkom gi maikei gi miam da appeal tawkhibani amrumda numit asibu amabu numit ki awabu phongdok po aina Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangleipak asukna Manipur pumbagi oina ngasi pung taruk tagi nungdarang pung taruk phawba total shutdown lauthokibani asuki serol amana haikibada sahi lising kaya ningkha tamba leibak ama oina saukhalakkiba Kangleipak Manipur gidi October trangwa lising ama chamapan nipumapan asi ningkha tambagi numit takhiba ama numit amani numit asida nauna semlakpa India kawwa kha Asia gi leibak aduna Manipur bu yanaraga ning tambagi mingda nampuda khudum sanki India gi loilam oikraba tungda ngasidi Manipur gi tungi lambi leitre India manungdadi aikhogi tungnam chat asi India da lupsan duna mangki bani phurup ki kangkhul mutki bani nakalamromda namphu gi merger agreement tawduna Manipur bu India na losing khiba numit October trangwa UPRFM na amam numit black day ni haina laukthokuna Manipur pumbada October tramar gi ahing noyai dagi October trangwa gi numitang pung taruk phawwa pung 35 gi general strike laukthokki bani numit asibu aina thinkraba people war group Marxist Center nusu ngasi pung taruk tagi nuidang waram pung taruk phawba pung train thogi Manipur pumba total shutdown lauthokki bani India today gi survey amagi matung ina Manipur gi Chief Minister N Birena India gi manungda third base Chief Minister tarak pada harau te amba phongdok paga loinana Chief Minister Biren bu okpagi throm amanga si Raj Bhavan da pangthokre Manipuri Governor Dr. Nazma Aheptulana Chief Minister okpagi thorom da Governor haiki N Birena lusingba anu balengak asina sahima makhaida paikhalak liba thabak singbu thagatli Chief Minister Birena tourism chawkhatnaba amadi hospitality industry chakutnaba honariba asina mapan lamgi lebakna Manipur bu hena satkhangbire Loktak Lake amadi Manipur gi food processing da solar power install tawnabagi damakta mapan lamdagi mateng pangi hairaklei masida natana nursing college su hangnaba hairaklei masi punmaksi Manipur semester amadi magi collection na miyam gi thabak taropagini haikhe
Manipur is now known in the rest of the country. Otherwise, people used to stop somewhere in Assam and they didn't realize that there is something more beautiful beyond the borders of Guwahati also. And now the recognition has come. The state government under the leadership of the Chief Minister is working to promote tourism, development, and also the hospitality industry in which new hotels have to come. People are coming over here to look what are the possibilities. People are asking me, there is someone who will be coming to open nursing college over here for the children. There are people who are talking about the Loktak Lake. I had a meeting yesterday with someone who is coming from Delhi and they want to use the solar energy around the Loktak and they don't want the state government to spend the money, only they need the permission and they will be self-sustaining.
Tharamduda Minister na Pongdok Kibada, Mahapu Governor Opibasi, Harao, Pongdok Pagalona, Kai Kuna Uchari, Mahapu India gi third best semester ni haina can be Raknibasi, Manipur Miam gi Tawzalani, and Ovalega Asina, Hek Pirate Padigi, Miam gi Tabak Tawa, Amadi, Miam Gapuna Tabak Taminava, Kaiba, Wakalonda, Tabak Trom Sing Satrakbani, Makata Nasu, Lengang Pakalak Tabak Trom Singda, Miam Corporation PV High K. From the Lord Matunda, Manipur University Masa lying Porkpada, handcuffs and Duna Porkpa. Mari Lenana Hangbe, Wahangi Pakomda Semester High, MUG was a hospital Porkpada, handcuff, Tawduna Porkli Besi Matanga, Tiganava, Home Department High Cray. Todok as live activity, Todok to the Senate Sing, disciplinary action, local Nabasu, Kangan Haina, Semester Namakatana, Pondoke.
I never counted and I never followed it. What if the recognition of a period? It's not that my credit, the credit goes to the people of the state. Because I has a response to me, other ladies. That's why my life also I will try to work for people of the state with the guidance of Madam and our colleagues. I'm on the minor ways encourage for people on the government to stop seeing. Madam Governor, and the government is ready to extend. They are not our enemy. We want to release them as hard as possible. But we should avoid the law of the land. That is the thing. The one professor were handcuffed when he was taken to the hospital. That part is very unfortunate. Home Department was not informed, and I have asked the concern to initiate disciplinary action if that kind of things taking place.
Thasigi October Sichatrama Toida, High Court of Manipur, Lenga Asigi, Hanagi Chief Secretary Oramba General Singhu, Manipur University Administrator on Havlak Pada, Numit. Some Kuntrani Rom, academic atmosphere Mangroba, Manipur University, Amukhana Mohsagi, Fiumda, Hanjil Hamangam Lagani Haina, Miamna, Asiat Patazaba Tamli Haina, Amukogi President, P.H. Devan Fondo Cray. Nasi P.H. Devana, Pamushinga, Akanan Unabamada, Mahan High, University Asigi, Community, Oiba, Mushu, Mutamadi, Mushanasu, Nauna Kanagaba General Singutaram, Okiba Sina, Numit Kuntrani Subna, University Asigi, Warriors in Kandan Lerambadu. Warriorson ama pork na bigilam biyat pangam letak pani nakalamorom da wathok asigi matang da lenga asinasu athubu tam lo sinduna mairu singbu amukhana like tamba phangalagani haiba miyam aset pathajaba ma thamli bani adubu haukiba September sechat kun amadi kun mathogi lonaba hingda Manipur lenga na mairu amadi oja sing hanagi VC in charge oramba Professor Jugindra thangat khiba FIR aduna maram oiraga phajin khiba sina miyam da nungang ma phawale Serak asida Ozamari Mairo Singh Paki Bagi Manung the Yaukiba, Hanagi Registrar in charge Professor Dorendrobu, masagi anaba amana maram oiduna checkup tawno puthorkpada mapu underground amadi mihat pemyo amagumna makutta handcuff tawduna puthorkpa si amukona haksina lawi hagulagiba mahiro ki abu lamjing laktak piriba ojagi sinpham asibu lana uhonna bahona riba si yaningde masi lengak na ojagi sinpham asibu lana uhliba si miyeng thamas changi thawdok asi professor Jugendrona thangat khiba FIR aduna oja amadi mahiro sing phajin khibani haiba asi miyamna khalli maram aduna masi atuba matamda lengak na miyeng thambiduna musu mutta musa amadi professor Jugendro yauna phajin khiba oja amadi mahiro singbu thadok nabagi damak warusin nama purukpan sungani haina su akatana pongdoke Ayushman Bharat ki makhada Sandel district ki manung san leiba khudai khun village da health and wellness center among asi Tenopal assembly constituency ki MLA di korung thangna hangdokre district health society Sandel sinduna pangthokiba thoram duda MLA di korung thangna athoy mithung additional deputy commissioner Sandel Dr. A Singlen Khomba Mitaina Thoromapu Chief Medical Officer Mission Director District Health Society Sandel Dr. Saitani Selbum na Akhanabum Mithung Amadi Autonomous District Council Sandel gi member TH Hobson Sothena Thodopa Mithung oina sarugya ke Health and Wellness Center gi State Nodal Officer Dr. Y Premchandra Ayush ki State Nodal Officer Dr. Benedict Health and Wellness Center ki District Nodal Officer Sandel Dr. Brojendro District Immunization Officer Sandel Dr. Lakshmi Amadi Atay Myoy Kya Su Thramdur Saruk Yaki Atoiba Mitung Okiba MLA Kunung Thangna Pongdok Kibada Narga Lying Babudi Nadring section Bana Pavanina Apavachinjak Saduna Haksang Sajil Toduna Nadra Honasi Naraklama Tamdana Niktina Lying Si Madugidamak Health and Wellness Center Si Hangdok Nivani Center asi Lairaga Miamna Kanava Loba Haitrabadi Adembada Mangani Aduna Center asi Ningtina Sina si Haiki Amrumda Sandel District Manung Sana Leba Purum Tampak Village Asu Health and Wellness Center among asi MLA Krung Thangna Hangdo Kre Hairi Manipur Lengak na Miam the Tanaram Dana Senglava Yellow Kubam Ama Oiriba Kangla the Rasila Sanapam Sengwala Livasi Manipur Ademba Iholakna Balengak Sinbaga Pankakni Haina Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSU MG General Secretary Bhushan Longjam the Tadro Paselaman Hairi Zelosina Makata na Hai Kangla the Rasila Sanapam Sengwala Pasi SSU M na Kamteng Yaning Day Tawanga say Manipur Miam gi Aning Mamasung Apambagi Mayoktani Miam the Kangalam Dana RSS ki Aron agenda Manunda Hindut Ba fascist Kanglongi Ano structure ama sengmat na honor liba ngasigi paliba BJP lenga ki thong asi Socialist Student Union of Manipur na kedong da yabangam loi thong asi masing yamjadraba yerho liklamcha yokhat pa panjaba sanawe laning chatchaba mayambu namthabiwi khudamni asigumba laksa khudum sanba manba mong dista threat liba RSS ki thong asi Manipur myam na su kedong da tumina lethok loi lamyan ba irabona Nikhil Hindu Manipuri Mahasabha Hai ba look asigi maming dagi Hindu haiba wahi asi lakthok lamani haiba si SSUM na nixing badan natana Hindu ba fascism ki kahen ba lisa sing haibadi sok na samna ba yadabi asok bisa khaiba kanglon kayabu Manipur gi lemai dagi muthat khibani haiba sisu kawal litri SSUM haiba si September tha khakta da lamyan ba irabot nixing ba kanglup natte aikho gi wakholon amadi miyeng khutimak lamyan ba irabot ki kanglon amadi ngasigi tangkakta aifam thokpa film aduna lamjing mera oiba loop amani maramadura Manipur paliba BJP lengakna RSS ki aron ba agenda puduna sagatliba Rasila Sanfam asi miamda makhatana tana tiknadriba phawba khudakta lepiu thong asi mongba hanba khubam amadi khorai ohong pungi wathokta ningdon pomliba miamda achobu singnaba oigani haibasi lengakna kawdu sumgani SSUM na leiba kangkhung saiba pamde amadi Lining na maram orga Manipura maru oina maitai masela nuksinadaba yaba pibam singamata sengwat papamde adubu ngasigi lengak na siliba thong asida maitai masegam rakta singsep thanaba hotnabi hainasu cherosina makhatana hairi Thado Students Association General Headquarters ki General Secretary Michael Lamjarthang Haukim Haikre Ministry of Tribal Affairs na Scheduled Tribe area da leiba Eclabia Model Residential School gi center dagi thadrakba grant phangdaba tha taret sure Grant sing asi Tasim Lung the Pitopio, Wapam Singasi, Manipur Press Club the Paumising Unabada, Michael and Fondo Kibani. Michael Makata Kibda, Eklabia Model School, Manipurgi Mapam Hum, More Sapramania Amasung Tamin Dali, School sing Asigi, Sahi, Tadrakpa, Grand Pangakidaba, Tatare Sure. Centerna Mahiroi among its Sahiamagi Lupali sing the Pintoi. Pangadavani Hina Tadrakli, School of Masida Puna, Mahiroi singing with Chama Humdra lady. Mayro singi phom thopa grand phangdabana mayro singi like leiba uniform leibagi chaba thakpagi scheme asida yauribasi piba ngamdre thatre ki grand pirak tabna maram orga school home asigi principal sing hayengdagi school thingilagani hairakle adu thado students association na saliba thas phawa yenglaga grand ki sempham school gi masa gi account da sanghan biduna school sing asi hingna bahona biu travel affairs amadi finance department na percentage pamadagi delay tawi thabak sathabaginu hairi
Mamang chahidagi adum sigi EMRS gi fund gi matang sida kana na paisa kaya chabge haine akhoina sigi se expose togani karigumba sigumba timely makhoi ngonda credit tobidragadi sigi school sing na phangdragadi ado maru oina state government na su sigumba paisa se civil work gi sunate satra gi ne in the interest of the student makhoi na sigumba se divert tobigunu timely laiba center gi laiba do timely makoina dispatch or disburse to bangam dragadi akoina last option da le se hojik oina le se central ministry na direct masa gi school gi account sida hapiro
United Cookie Liberation Front UKLF na sekhujam ngakpigani sekhungam Elias Ngamcha Elias NC Elias Max Baite Organization asi dagi khodak dagi tanthok le haina United Cookie Liberation Front UKLF ki serlam na hairi serlo sina makha ta duna seikungam Elias Ngamchana hokiba sahi lisingani ga sumna tratet ki mayai chalak ba adwai dagi front asigi cabinet ta amadi maga loina ba singda I paw amata khangalam dana thiba khangki da batana tana I paw phauna ba su ngam kidramani mahang na khangudana thiba khangdana mangkiba da front asigi cabinet na Maha kadai lebagi haibu thina ba inquiry committee ama semduna Wi-Fi People's Council amasung telang inang sung kiloi khom TLTIK gi mateng loina na thiki laibak thibri sahi ama rom supna honabada loop ani asina maha ku thiba ngamdre haina pau pirakhe angpadi saikhongam Elias Ngamchana organization gi vice chairman pu KT Mishonda organization asibu maha na kangkhong sahele organization haiba lepa khuding yagani haina telephone taroke Maram sing asidagi cabinet na mahapu tanthok pa haina warep lauduna organization bu kangkong sahenba mioy mani haina laptop khi maram asina saikhongam Elias Ngamchana organization asigi active member oiringai da mahangna lepsil lamba movable amasung non movable property sing organization gi constitution gi matung ina khodak tagi phaji lagani haina selosina makha tari Laikidraba Hanagi President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Uleva Asina Mahaki Mapuk Namit Asida Nasi Nixingli. Mahang President Wakiba Matam Lissing and Isumna Anidagi, Lissing and Isumna Trade Power President Sibu Nahona Shamdoki. Punsiba Wangutaki Wakal Kalanaba Mahagna Angang Sing Amasung Nahasinda Wapam Kaya Pongdoklamki. Dr. APJ Kalamna Like Kayasu Iramki, Mahapu People's President Haine Kaunaki, Nahaki Manglan that Adu Asumba Nava Manglan Mangbatai Hivasi, Mang Hiramba Power of High Singni. Defense Technology Gilamda Magna Taromba Tabak Singu Sakangwaina, Indiagi Missile Mel Hainesu Maku Kangari. Maki Mamuk Mapok Numita, President Ramnath Kovinda, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Gi Mafam de Gaikano Woodki. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Nasu, Hanig President Kalam from the Gaikano Woodki. Maku Todok Hendopa, Oja, Angakpa Motivator, Todokpa, Scientist Samasung, Great President ni Haina, Prime Minister Modi in Haiki. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Rasbaran Rasthona Su, Dr. Kalamgi, Mapam the Kaikum Woodki. Dr. Kalambu, a scientist, a visionary, a leader Haina, Minister Rathona Singthaki. Mikal Paktok Riba State Manga, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Masung, Telangana, Both Komag Tabak, Honda Kray Hairi. Numit Nigi Kongsata, Madhya Pradesh, the Lakliba, BJP Chip Amit Chahana, Satna the Pangtokpa, Kamal Sakti, Samwat Program da Wanganki. Hosangada District of Pangtokpa, Miami meeting da BJP chipna Congress pu phajana sidhagre state adugi miyamda Congress na achumba haibadu kedonungda tawkidri haiki Assembly gi mikhala dura Congress ki lusingba ogedoriba mioy adugi maming phongro haina Amit Shah na Congress ki President Rahul Gandhi da taksin ki amromda Rahul Gandhi su numit ni gi khongsakta Madhya Pradesh ta laktuna ngasidagi vote khomba hawkre hairi election rally am da wangang bra Congress President na state aduda Congress sakti pairabati lawmi singi lon copy gani haiki Caste violence naduna India ki tongan basaru kaya khaidok khanaba Brick India haiba slogan Congress nari haiduna BJP na Congress maral sikre Congress singba Navjot Singh Sidhuna P kiba warol BJP ni yaling do phongdok ki BJP ki wang loi GVL Narasimha Rao na Sidhu bu leba kain warol P haiki South India ki miyam bui kai ba P mana Rahul ki thabak oipam thokte hainasu Rao na phongdok ki Rajniti khudong chabalong na ba Congress President Rahul Gandhi na anti-India policy sathri hainasu BJP ki wangal wesina maral siki Hojik aroi da maroi pau amon pijari General strike amadi total shutdown mapung phan sathakre Chief Minister N Birenbu Governor na taram okre loinana hanagi India ki President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam gi mapok nimit asida ngasi leibak asina mahakpu dingsingli ngasi gidi Paodam sandok jaba matang ngasi lojere miyam kana